Ever noticed how one yawn just starts everything? You see someone yawn. And your mirror neurons go, copy that!
Your brain literally copies the action.
Congrats! You yawned without choosing to!